If you've been dreaming of spending your summers soaking in your own personal swimming pool, you should know that the options are endless to turn that dream into a reality. This segment is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. Micah Miller is the managing member. He's here to discuss an option you may want to consider. Thanks for joining us on HRS.
Thanks for having me again.
All right, so we're talking about plunge pools.
That's right.
What is a plunge pool?
Yeah, so plunge pool is maybe synonymous with cocktail pool. That's frequently what people have heard of when they don't want a huge pool, they don't want all the maintenance, they don't want it to take up their entire backyard, but they still want to be able to get in the water, kind of hang out, play around, and then get out and close it up and be done with it.
So what kind of lifestyle would work for a plunge pool?
Yeah, so believe it or not, they may be smaller, but they can still fit a ton of people in them. There's a picture that's going to come up later that shows about 13 boys hanging out in one of these pools.
Oh my gosh.
But the lifestyle is they have covers on them, and you can heat these up to 104 degrees. You can get them cool in the summer. And so it's instead of it being like a normal pool, which you shut down for half of the year, the idea with this is it's open all year round. It's being used all year round. You want to heat it up in the winter to 104 degrees and treat it like a hot tub. These things are insulated, they're concrete, they hold that temperature, they only lose about 1.5 degrees a day. So we're really pushing these because it's a 12-month option. It's not just a giant hole in your backyard that's just there.
Yeah, so obviously that's one of the pros of them. Let's talk pros and cons of plunge pools for someone who might want to consider it.
Yes, so the biggest con is the size. I hear this all the time, like, hey, this is a small pool. And it's not a small pool means you have a small yard, you get a small pool. It's more about what lifestyle you're looking for. And so that's the biggest con is the size. A pro is the temperature, the ability to fluctuate the temperature on a dime. Like you're not spending thousands of dollars to heat it up or thousands of dollars to cool it down.
Yeah.
So that's probably a huge pro that these have. Fit and finish is a pro. So because these come in modular, they're hand tiled in New Hampshire. They come as a drop-in unit. The fit and finish on it is, I mean, it is amazing.
Yeah.
It is like it's like the nicest bathroom you've been in. You know, the tile, the joints are all perfectly even. You can pick different tiles for the floor, for the walls. Really, really nice fit and finish. So yeah, they fit in just about any backyard. And some people think, you know, small yard, small pool, but we've done plenty of these in huge yards because it just fits the lifestyle that they have.
So you got to ask yourself, like, do I want a pool that I can go swimming laps in, or do I want to just literally just plunge in and enjoy myself?
Right. And so then it kind of, that question, do you want to swim laps in it? There are like static swim systems, and almost
you can put in a plunge pool?
Almost everyone we've installed, we've put one of these static swim systems, and it's like you're swimming against a rubber band. It's bizarre, but everybody who uses it is like, you don't feel it. It's a little band you put around. We've got these hooks in the deck, and you just jump in the pool and you just start swimming against it.
All right, well, let's talk about some options, because obviously there's options within the plunge pool system. What kind of questions are you asking people to kind of narrow down what they want in their pool?
So not all of them have to be heated. So that's probably the first question is, do you want it heated? Because that does add a cost. And then cover options is probably the next biggest question that I'm asking, because there's auto covers that you can just hit a button and it covers and opens. There's foam covers, just like a regular spa. There's wooden covers that roll out. So that's usually the next kind of thing that we have to figure out. And then from there, it's what do you want the inside to look like? Do you want like the Steelers logo on the bottom of this pool in tile and ceramic tile? Like, okay, then we got it. Not that I like the Steelers, but you know.
It came to your mind for a reason.
That's right.
All right, we're going to pop up a QR code on the screen right now. If viewers want more information, grab your smartphone, point it right there at the code. A link's going to pop up. Click it. You'll get tons more information. And speaking of tons more information, there's an event coming up.
That's right.
Where folks can get a lot of these questions answered. What do we need to know?
Absolutely, yes. So on the 29th of this month, I have the manufacturer of Soak Pools, who is the one who makes these plunge pools, and they are coming to our location in Pocosin in Virginia, and we're going to do an event from 4 to 7. It's a open house, but the first 50 guests, we do have a special plant for them that we're going to be giving them. So first 50 guests get a prize. We're going to have light hors d'oeuvres, mocktails, and we just want to hang out with you guys. Any questions you might have about what small pool versus big pool, like how do I make this fit in my yard? Is this the right option for me?
Budget, all that fun
exactly.
Stuff,
And we, you know, I like fiberglass pools as well. So if it's not the right fit, I'm happy to talk about fiberglass pools and tell you the pros and cons of those.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, as always, thanks so much for joining us on the
Absolutely.
Hampton Road Show.
Thank you for having me.
This segment of the Hampton Road Show is sponsored by Easton Outdoors. Don't forget about that event hosted by Easton Outdoors and Soak Pools. It's March 29th from 4 to 7 p.m. Again, the first 50 guests will receive that door prize. They're located at 550 With Creek Road in Poquoson. Give them a call, 757-262-3232, or visit easton-outdoors.com. Check out more photos on social media for inspiration. They're on Facebook and Instagram at Easton Outdoors LLC.